Breakfast first.
What's going on in here? Good morning.
Just ready. Well, good morning.
Good morning.
How'd you sleep?
Awesome. Like a log. I was beat from yesterday, that's for sure. What's going on in here, Chef Mother?
Oh, kind of a, what do you call these? Cheese blintzes a la Tahiti mix-up. All right, put that up in there.
Morana. Let's see Carrie's approval on a bite. Is that for
I haven't made cheese blintzes since you were a little boy.
No. Oh yes, it's really good.
Yum yum.
Try a bite of this.
It's too hot. It's too hot.
It's too hot, probably. Just off the burner. Oh, I forgot to put his bananas in there.
He'll never touch them if it's too hot.
Didn't say no. It's too hot.
He likes his cold food almost cold.
Well, he likes it just about cold, huh?
Yeah.
What's the plan today, Melissa?
Going to Bora Bora.
We're going
We're
to
gonna go on a hike and see the little town. I don't think it's much. And go snorkeling. Cuddle with my babies.
Mele Kaliki Maka. My little Makai. Did you get this top of his head?
Yeah.
The sun is coming up.
What's up, buddy?
Breakfast smells great, Mom. Doing it up out here in Tahiti.
Trying to remember how to do crepes.
Just a little bit.
So what's it like cooking in a boat kitchen compared to your beautiful, huge, spacious kitchen at home?
Very challenging.
Very bad.
Wave, guys. Wave, guys. Hi. It's Noah.
Now Stefan's busy again. Yes, we love you so, so, so much. We want to make sure you stay alive.
Safety. Safety first, people. We yanked up our anchor, headed out. are. Made it to a deserted island. Back easy. Got my snorkel gear. We're about to go snorkeling. I'm having a Titanic moment here. Ah! Why would you stay there when you can stay here? Going ashore. Pizza, pizza, pizza. This guy. We stopped at Burger Lolo and Bora Bora for some pizza. What's up, guys? Glad you could join us. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our videos. Take it easy.